Salut guys! Aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour une compilation, comme vous pouvez le remarquer, de le Five Nights at Freddy's. Oui. On va jouer à la démo du 2, du 3 et du 4. Je vous avertis, quand il y a des jumpscares, en fait c'est un jeu de jumpscares, puis moi, je suis pas quelqu'un qui crie quand il a peur, je suis quelqu'un qui a comme des peurs intérieures. Fait que inquiétez-vous pas si vous voyez un animatronique ou le monstre, ça s'appelle comme ça. Puis vous entendez rien derrière, c'est juste moi qui est comme figé. Parce que de naissance, moi je regarde jamais de films d'horreur. Pis ça, c'est comme vaincre sa peur, disons. Reopening. Puis derrière, il y avait New Life. Vous pouvez dire dans les commentaires, je suis pas très courageux, mais bon, je vainc ma peur. Ça démarre-tu? Eh oh! Bon, Mini Elite s'attaque à l'autre, je vous dis à tout de suite. Ok, ça c'est les caméras.
Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear Pizza. I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path. Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old locations, you know. Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company.
Ok, on a des batteries.
That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility, they even let them walk around during the day.
Ouais.
Isn't that neat? But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away.
Ah, c'est quoi ça?
Them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its kink. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky you, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about robots saying he was an endoskeleton without his costume on and wanting to stuff you into the suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually, anything that wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quartz modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. But hey, you have light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up. Piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Ok. En résumé, je vais vous dire ce que dit le plus important, c'est qu'une beauté musique, faut la refaire parce que sinon il y a pas pète. qui va sortir de ça. Il va venir nous tuer. Il y a des animatronics et qui bougent la nuit. Ils ont un problème dans leur système. Je sais pas, ça se passe bien avec les enfants, mais pas... Oh non! Chut! Oh non, Bonnie est parti! Pas très bon, hein? Ah, la boîte de musique! La boîte de musique! Non! La boîte de musique! Ah, j'ai oublié. T'as pas bougé, toi? Bougé. You! Ah, il est là! Oh non! Oh non! Non! Ah, t'es moche! Ah, mais laide! Ah, puis Bonnie, lui, il arrive toujours par ce conduit d'aération-là. Chica, elle arrive, c'est le canard, il arrive par là. Puis Freddy, il arrive par en avant. Comme ça. Ah, merde. Oh non, ok, il est encore là. C'est encore là, elle? Non! Non, mais là! Ils sont toutes les deux là! Mais qu'est-ce que vous voulez que je fasse contre ça? Ah, la boîte de musique! Vite! Pas encore là! Ah! Le masque! C'est parti! C'est parti! Et merde, pour une première nuit, je rush ma vie. Oh non, pas déjà là, toi. Hey you, il joue-tu de la guitare? Non. Oh non, tu vois pas, Freddy est parti. Freddy est pas là? Hein? Ah, coucou toi. Ok, là je mets mon masque. Elle est partie. J'ai entendu, ouais, j'ai entendu. Lui, il est pas arrivé. Oh, Freddy! Ah! Oh non, la musique! Vite! Freddy là-bas. Ah, déjà! Ah, merde! Mais merde! Freddy! Va-t'en! Va-t'en! Là, je vois bien que là, j'arrive bientôt plus de temps pour la vidéo. Donc, ça se risque de se faire sur 2 parties. Puis, comme vous pouvez le voir, j'ai un nouveau fond d'écran. Moi, je le trouve plus beau. Ça, on va mettre ça là. Donc, on va commencer un peu le 3e. Final Fantasy The Sequels. En fait, celui qui t'attaque, c'est Spring Traps. Warning, this game contains flashing... Ok, regarde, c'est lui Spring Trap. En fait, c'est un... Bah, c'est un monstre. il y a rien à dire, c'est un monstre. Coming soon. Face Bears Fried Horror Attraction. Ok, en fait, c'est qu'il se prépare pour un... Ah! Ça fait peur, juste ça. Oh, chut. Comment je fais pour faire?
Hey, glad you came back for another night.
You Spring Trap.
It'll be a lot more interesting this time.
You?
Found some great new relics over the weekend, and we're out tracking down a new lead right now. So, let me just update you real quick, then you can get to work. Like, the attraction opens in like a week, so we have to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire. When the place opens, people will come in at the opposite end of the building and work their way toward you, then past you, and out the exit. Yeah, you've officially become part of the attraction. You'll be starring as a security guard. So not only will you be monitoring the people on the camera as they pass through, you know, to make sure no one steals anything or makes out in the corner, but you'll also be a part of the show. It'll make you feel really authentic, I think. Now let me tell you about what's new. We found another set of drawings, always nice, and the Foxy head, which we think could be authentic. Then again, it might just be another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old school, metal though. Watch the fingers. Right now the place is basically just, you know, flashing lights and spooky props. I honestly thought we'd have more by now. We don't have something really cool by next week, so we may have to suit you up in a furry suit and make you walk around saying, "Boo." But, you know, like I said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings says it was like an extra room that got boarded up or something like that. So we're going to take a peek and see what we can find. For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the hall cams and the vent cams. Then over to your far left, you can flip up your maintenance panel. You know, use this to reboot any systems that may go offline. In trying to make the place feel vintage, we may have overdone it a bit. Some of this equipment is barely functional. Yeah, I wasn't joking about the fire. That's a real risk. The most important thing you want to watch for is the ventilation. Look, this place will give you the spokesman, and if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man. Keep that air flowing. Okay, keep an eye on things, and we'll try to have something new for you tomorrow night.
Donc, de ce que j'ai compris, c'est que Springtrap, en fait, en fait, non, j'ai pas bien écouté. J'étais plus concentrée, puis j'ai appris que, en fait, si on fait play audio...
Hi.
Donc là, si on a ça, puis il peut passer... Oh! C'est quoi ça? Mango Quest. Oh non, là il va y avoir un jumpscare, je suis sûre. Oh non, c'est clair qu'il y a un jumpscare là. Oh merde, non! Je vais savoir, il va sortir un quoi le jumpscare? Il faut des petits jeux même. Et il va y avoir un jumpscare, je suis sûre. Attention! Non? Ok, on peut faire la deuxième nuit. Ben là, gars, c'était Dark Darken. On va se retrouver pour la deuxième nuit dans pas long. Je vous dis à la deuxième nuit. Bye bye!